Now, if you want to make money online by selling and designing logos, or you're a business owner that needs a logo to make your brand look authentic, watch this video because I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make these thumbnails for my real estate business. Actually, my future real estate business. Shh, don't tell anybody. Anyways, I was able to make these logos within seconds using this AI tool I'm about to show you. And this AI tool is called Looka. Now, Looka is an AI that helps you make professional logos fast. And with this AI tool, you can make as many quality and professional looking logos for your business. So you're literally few clicks away from getting your own logo. And to start, click on the link in my pinned comment or in my description box and let's head to Looka. And it will direct you here. So this is how the user interface is. And to start, you sign up here. Use your Gmail. I prefer to use my Gmail, but you can decide to fill in your full name, your email, and your password, but that's just too long for me. So I've logged in using my email address. So here you can select your industry. Mine is real estate investing. Continue. So now we're going to pick some logos that we like to inspire them. I'm just going to scroll through to see the one I prefer. I want a logo with symbols because this ones just have text and I don't want just text. I want something that also has symbols in it. So I'm just going to scroll through. This one looks really professional, but it's just text. Is so basic. I think I would choose this one. I like this one. Continue. My preferred color, I'm going to choose gray. It's so good that they give you like different symbols of what the color means, like different meaning of color. Ooh, purple means luxury and wealth. I want my brand to represent that, so I'll choose purple. But I think that's a really good thing that they give you what the colors signify. So we're going to continue. My company name is Jessie Cole. I actually got this name from someone from my comment section. So, and my slogan would be build your future. Build your future. I think this is good enough. Continue. I like it like that. We have hand curated symbols for I would say real estate. You can also pick your own symbols here but I choose real estate, so I want to continue. I think I like this one, but I don't like the color of the text. I like this one as well, but I don't like the color. I don't like the font. But let's just scroll through to see what. And I also don't like that the name is not starting from capital letter. Oh, I think I'm the reason for that. I did not start with capital letter, so let me just update. Brand. I think before you do this, you can also look at your competitors' logo. Of course, you're not going to copy their logo exactly, but you need to just get a feel of how real estate company logo looks like. Let me search for real estate. So I found one. Let's see how their logo looks like. Oh, look, they also have a gold and then text. Okay, so now I have an idea of what I want mine to look like. Obviously, I'm not going to copy them. Oh, good. Damn, I don't know the one to choose, but I can always come back to pick the one I like. For now, we're just going to choose anyone so that I can show you how to use it. So please tell me which one you think I should use in the comment section. This is number one that I like. This is number two, and this is number three. So pick whichever one you think I should have chosen, but let me choose number three and customize. So this is how number three looks like on your social media page, on your website, and social covers, your website, and everywhere. So you can also make some changes. Let's see, classic. Oh, so there are basically more options. Oh, I think I like this one. Let me choose this one. You can also change the color if you want. Let's see it in other colors. Ooh, I like this. Oh my god, it's just giving me better and better options. I think I prefer it the way it was. So I'm just going to click here, undo, so that I can just keep the color I prefer, the one I had, this one. If you click on brand kits here, it shows you how your logo would look like on print shops, on your domains, your email signature. Look, I just like how it looks like. It looks like a stamp, you know? It looks so premium, like something that a government, you know, it just looks so authentic. If you don't know about logos or how you want your logo to feel, it's good to do an intensive research on your competitors' logo. Obviously you can't copy them because you need to stand out, but you don't want to have a basic logo. Your logo has to feel like what the business is all about, basically. You can also go to layout, and you're going to see the different layouts that you can choose from. Now under slogan, you can look at different ways the slogan can be done for you, and the symbol as well. Look, they have suggested different symbols for you, but I don't like any of these symbols because it does not signify real estate. So you can choose here to see. Oh, investments, just coins. Let's go to property. Ooh, oh my God, I like this one too. So you can see more options just keep coming on as the more you click on these things, you start seeing different variations. Look, another thing you can do is that you can actually edit each component of this logo. So if you click into it, double click into it, you can edit the text font. So if I don't like this font, I can choose from different fonts. It will show you exactly how it is going to look like. You can also change the text if you want. So if I don't want to build your future, I can just click on it and click say build better. And that's what it's going to show here, build better. So once you can also change this one to something else. So if I want it to be square shaped, look, we have something here. It would suggest to you different ways. Oh, look, this looks so good. So you see, there are different things you can make so many changes. It is not rigid, but I'll just leave it like this. I think, no, I don't like this build better. I'm going to change it back to build your future. If you click here, you'd see your logos. So this was the first logo I picked, and this is the second logo. I actually don't like the second logo, so let me go to undo so that I can. So this is my final choice of logo. You can click here to share to your team members, Twitter, Messenger, anywhere, and you can click here to download your logo. So to be able to download it, you have to pay for it actually. So this is the one I would recommend you to pay if you just need a basic logo for a quick business, like if you're doing drop shipping or just any basic thing that is not really long term, but you just need a logo for now. I would tell you to select this, but it's going to give you a low resolution file and you want a high quality logo, so it's better to choose this one, and it's just one-time purchase. But if you're in a business of creating logo for other businesses, like you're a logo maker or a designer, you can choose this one for a whole year. You pay $96 for a whole year and you get all these packages. It was initially $192, but now there's a 50% discount. So yeah, I would suggest you grab your copy now. Now you can make money selling thousands of digital logos, or you can simply save money for yourself by making your own logo for yourself. Now, if you're a logo maker, I'm sure you'll be scared like, oh my God, what does this mean for my business? Come closer. You have no fear, because I guarantee you there are not that many people interested in all these technicalities of business. So there will always be someone to pay you. There are so many AI video editing tools, but yet people still pay video editors to edit their videos. So human touch would never go out of style, because AI is AI, AI is a robot, and it can never be a human being, okay? So have no fear. There are so many AI tools to create websites, yet people still pay people to do these things for them. So you don't have to worry. Just see this as a tool to make your business faster and easier for you. I also have countless tutorials on how to use AI for content creation and your business. So if you're interested, click on this video here. Until I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye. Mwah.